Welcome to Hpmtech. Today's new video: speed up buys and the fast loss in your 5S and this excess trial and say it is never in keep fitness rotate and regulation great shifts. Basic improvement our fitness still healthy and having highly quality of lives. Some my client who is R15 and went to drop this benefit fit and tracking hours this year towards and orders and also load this in because no matters where you are your neighbors and let get back into fitness games and our rounded the best my client and are 15 up to when drop and this benefit fits the generation hours of the years. The last and worst class of our heart. It is lost back this is because your battery dropped and you lost musical and stranded and agreement like a matters what is age are you never to let and get back into fitness in our games. So we recommended up to access in the speed of base and the fat lost and your 5S. We integrate before in the in task latest and above wearing in order keep mattress high and continue bearing and feed your sold areas and highest destinations is also retention. In orders high continue and be sure it highly trade and single regulation and choose highest interest current advice. These and move recycle group and seamless in the help brand and categories we incomes credit and pack activity get your heart up and challenge education at in order keep more and high expectation and continues you should test highest trends and regularity and choose high industries credit within suggested access and the select compound movement science and the most way income and pick subscriptions trading express not source we and bring I have convert this and movement this able speed up to half feet lost in years and 5s and went to sinking feet and improvement the following experience into your routine and next source and check out the best six and best experience strong and round arms and 2022 and 10 style. I have and lost company content is the what drum and faint suggestion. It not that bring exercise holding and pair drum up to shoulder keep your in course light and sick drain your qualification should keep up your core and track push and seize back and quick down until you grab and part the ground drive and target heads and hips strength backs up the pixel your growth and finishing complete 6 set of 10 reps rupees and scuba and great fishing complete 3 SRCPs related sinking base and feet faster with these 5 exercise trend and say dumbbell and shooter press shoulder bank and bring and access having doubles and the next your shoulder with your help section facing in each couplet right and rest bring and having double up to core and light space section modify facing each hours keep your core target and guys speeding and press jump and fixing shouldering trips and rope lowers the weights under control before you're performing other rep performing 3 a set of 10 to 12 reps grip in the wet stripes attainment in the seat row machines and place your feet firmly and on the footpath full and hands out. This suggests your legs fully keep our chips, tails and drive edge in backs towards hips, squeezing and the back last and hard freshening your arms fully and get to good still your shoulders pressure before performing and other reps and perform 3 sets of 10 sets to rupees related academy with in-laws and strictly training exercise trainers. Get into position, one foot forward and foot back with your feet, tails and core light and lowers. Foot with cheese and toss, core light lowers and use yourself under control until back cans and technical ground and getting steel buttons push and target hill front and ledge come keep back and you're quite finishing performing all reps and sides before shifting ledge and before along your movement which appear double complete three sets and return to 12 trips and feed each hop and airbag and your gums and grip hands your to choose in his arms 25 to 13 minutes steady is great pace and measured our performing interest and for 10 to 15 seconds in constant hours for 3 to 14 seconds and repeating in full total 10 to 15 minutes. I look at intersection, set and stumble and heads include a usual 15 degrees. Heart and rate up to great easy feel and jumped bumpers. More content mid bodies, less the most expert and brush subscription feeds. Set your terms and 15 degrees and set up speed hard and rate great up to easy feel and bump hasty paste. More content from mid bodies, the most effect experience fresh and subscribed feed and trust say the most effect work tool in film suggestion trust say and the most effect from birth control and after working result degrees says like subscribe press the bell icon for latest fishing update. Thanks for watching.